Hey fam, trust me when I tell you that you've never tasted a salad as delicious as this before. Very easy to make, delicious and tasty. Stay with me as I show you how I achieved this. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always. If this is your first time here, please do click on the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up because I'm sure you'll love it. So the ingredients you'll be needing to mix your cream: get a Greek yogurt. I always preferred unsweetened and plain ones, some honey, and then mayonnaise. Any brand of mayonnaise is fine, but I love using the Hellmann's brand. Then pay attention to how I mix this cream because it's the secret to all that gorgeous deliciousness of the salad. So you want to go ahead and add your mayonnaise into a bowl. Now the quantity of the mayonnaise to the yogurt you are going to add, if you don't want 2 or 3 cream, is 3:1. That's 3 portions of the mayonnaise and a portion of the yogurt. But because I wanted this to be a bit watery, I added equal quantity of the mayonnaise and equal quantity of the yogurt. But if you want it thick, make sure that the portions of mayonnaise to yogurt is 3:1. Then I go in and add some honey, and this is just enough because I want it sweet. Now if you're the type that loves something that is a bit tangy, like a bit slappy, you might want to add a bit of lemon juice, but for me this is just okay. So you want to go in and whisk that, like turn it thoroughly till it is well incorporated. Guys, trust me, mix your cream like this and you'll never mix it any other way again. Now to preserve this, I just pour it back into the container of maybe a previous mayonnaise I had, or just any container that can keep this airtight. For the salad, we all know that there is no limit to the ingredients that should be incorporated in a salad, but for my recipe, this is what I use: some boiled macaroni, sweet corn, green peas, purple cabbage, white cabbage, cucumber, carrots, and eggs. Everything well sliced and prepared. The purple cucumber is just for coloring, not really like it gives it any special, because it's same as what the white cucumber gives. And that's some baked beans. I love baked beans in my salad. It makes them just very delicious and exceptional. So now you want to go in and mix. You can either mix this in batches, that's add a bit of this, a bit of this, a bit of this at interval, or you mix everything at once if you have a large bowl, and use a turning spoon to mix that together, which is what I just did. I had a large bowl and I went in to just add my ingredients one after the other. Guys, macaroni is optional, but trust me, it changes the game of your salad. It gives it this taste you've never had before. Just boil the macaroni with salt for like 15 minutes, rinse that in cold water and add it as part of your salad ingredients. If you have lettuce, you can use that as well. Remember I said there are no limits to the ingredients of what a salad are, but for me, I am okay with just these ones. Don't also forget your boiled egg. I usually boil my egg together with the macaroni to save time and gas. And then as I'm mixing all of this, I use a knife to just slice my egg. And then cucumber, I don't like peeling the back of my cucumber because I feel it's all part of what gives nutrients, and it also adds coloring to the salad. So I just dice them together with the back and add everything together. So this is it. I'm going to add them and then give that a nice mix. I didn't show you the process of slicing all these ingredients because I want to believe that we can slice these vegetables like it is not something new. So I love cutting my things to be dicey. That's why you saw them in bits. You can go ahead and cut them in whatever chunk you desire, but for me, this dicey small bits it is. So you want to go in and slice your egg. This egg had some color because I placed it beside the purple cabbage and it has colored it. So you just want to slice your egg anyhow into the salad. I prefer slicing mine in large chunks. If it's some days I want to decorate, I don't just slice like this. Like I dice it in circular shape to give my food plating a very wonderful view and look. But on this day, I was not decorating. I just wanted to incorporate everything at once and turn. When you are done mixing the whole thing, you can just cover this with a foil paper and keep in your fridge. You can even last for 2 days because of course I didn't finish this on that day. When you are ready to eat, just go in and add the bits of salad you want to consume for that moment into another bowl and pour in your cream and give that a nice mix. Who is seeing how creamy that is and so delicious. Now there's one gist to this. My husband does not like salad, anything that has to do with vegetables and all of that. He's telling he's not a goat, that I cannot eat food that is not cooked. But guys, thank God I captured when he was eating this particular one. And since then, I've been making salad. Like every Sunday, he'll be like, are we not eating salad today? I made this, served him, and he was like, no, is this like normal salad? He really enjoyed it. And see, my husband does not hype food because it is me. If it is not delicious, he will tell you it's not delicious, he does not like it. But he ate this and he wanted more. Let's hear him.
God bless you, the wife of mine. This one is sweet. I have not eaten any. I don't know the name, but.
You don't know the name of what?
What is the name?
It's salad now.
Oh.
Salad now,
It's because I have not eaten a salad that is sweet like this. That's why I didn't know that this one is sweet salad. Hey. God bless you. You will live long. I say you will live long.
I mean, so fam, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you'll be trying this, and please do come and give me feedback of the outcome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're here to do so. Bye bye.